Hi guys, it's Maddie. Thanks for joining me for another video makeup that I'm gonna do for you. To start out, I'm going to use the Mirabella eyeshadow primer. The I Love You Mirabella collection. And I'm going to be using Romance. I'm gonna go in with this one right here on the brush, and I'm going to pat that on the inner corner there. And then I'm going to do that again on the outside. To go in with the color that's in the middle there, Fairy Tale. So I'm gonna go in again with the flat brush, which is why you wanna make sure it's all clean, no residue from the darker color, and packing it on, not worrying about blending right now. I'm going to use the liner and brow duo brush from Mirabella. Going to use the angled brush side, and we are going to go in with that black color. I'm just gonna go right on that lash line. 2/3 of the way in. Again, not a big wing, and just connecting and drawing the line over. The eye blender brush from Mirabella, super fluffy, super fluffy. Don't want to go super harsh, because that'll just kind of rub the pigment off. And we're just looking to blend in those lines that we have. This is Prime for Face from Mirabella. Getting about that much. You don't need a lot. This is what it looks like. I'm using the shade Ivory 1, Mirabella Serum Sculpting Duo Brush. Going to be using this, tapping it, getting all that product on the brush, and then tapping on your face to get the product on there, and then I'm gonna take any of the extra I have and we're gonna start blending. You can go in with concealer, otherwise I'm just gonna use a little bit more of the foundation. My camera cut out. I just went in with the concealer, so I'm not gonna redo it. But I'm going to show you how I did it. So I have the conceal from Mirabella. So I go down, triangle, fill it in for the eyes. I used the concealer brush from Mirabella, just patting. And then I also went down and a little bit above the eyebrows there. Blended that down the bridge of the nose, on my Cupid's bow, and then on the chin there in a T shape. I'm going to go in with some setting powder, getting some on the cap there. The powder brush from Mirabella, big and fluffy. Going to swirl and then tap. Now I'm gonna go in with my Sculpt duo from Mirabella. So this has, I have the shade Fate Serendipity. Got the bronzer, and it's got the highlight there. Take an angled brush like so. This is the fan brush from Mirabella, and I'm going to just go back and forth, getting product on there. Go right in the cheekbone there. Blend it with the other end of the duo brush. Cleaning off my brush. I'm going to use the same fan brush for the highlight. Now I'm gonna go in with the blush duo and Love and Soulmate. We're gonna go in with that darker color. The dual finish blush and powder brush. And I like to use the tip of it and swirl in a little ball of the lighter color, smile, and go. And taking the same brush that we used for the translucent powder, we're gonna go in and just blend it here. The brow pencil from Mirabella in the shade medium. And to set those brows in, I'm going to go in with the brow shaper from Mirabella. I'm going to go in with my Mirabella Lasting Lash, and then a trick that I learned with the mascara. I'll start by combing and curl a little bit, and then once you get to the top of the lashes there, just hold it for a few seconds. And the mascara dries in those few seconds, and you're gonna have your eyelashes a bit longer. I love this Mirabella Perfecting Lip Definer. It's just a clear lip liner, so I don't need to have a ton of random pencils in my drawer. I'm going to be using the Prime for Lips. So it's like an exfoliator for your lips. This is pretty new. This way, I just hydrate my lips a little bit, get rid of the dead skin that's on there, because that'll kind of clump off on your lipstick there. Using Sugar and Spice from Mirabella. I love this lipstick. It's a bit more dramatic than just a plain pink. I'm going to grab a lipstick brush. And to finish it all off, to make sure your makeup lasts through all the dancing and sweating you're about to do, bulletproof spray from Mirabella. And here we are, all ready for prom, except for our hair, which is the next thing we're going to do. But you've got that nice shimmer on the cheeks there and the brows. A bit more dramatic eye makeup there. And you're ready for the hair.